In this video, I will show you how you can use Stage Manager on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. Now on this screen, instead of full screen apps, just select Stage Manager. And after you do that, you will enable Stage Manager on your iPad. Now to use it, just open any app on your iPad. Now just open this app in a pop-up window. For that, just drag the app upward from the bottom right corner on the screen. Now after you do that, you will open the selected app in a pop-up window. Now after you do that, then you will notice that the last 4 apps in your recent apps section will be shown at the side of the screen. Now from here, you can either switch between the apps just like that. Now this mode can help you do multitasking very efficiently. But if you want to open multiple apps at the same time on the screen, you can even grab one of the apps from the recent apps section and you can drag it to the center of the screen, and you can open multiple apps at the same time. You can also switch between the apps just like that, and the selected apps will be grouped in the recent apps section. And this is how you can use Stage Manager on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.